We're gonna get a little bit weird today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Spam cookies. But don't worry, they're gonna be Spam-tastic. Spam-orific. Spam-tacular. Whoop. Oh no. I just got a Spamber alert.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make an odd little treat. We're making cookies with Spam. Let's get to it. First up, Spam. Ooh. Spam. We're gonna start off by dicing up about a half can of Spam. A little pile of heaven right here. Woo! Now we're gonna fry up our Spam. Fun fact, Spam came out in 1937 and was super popular during World War II. It was invented by Captain Spamerica. That last part's not true. Oh yeah, these beautiful little morsels of goodness. This is about how crispy you want it. Now reserve it for later. This is a perfectly good treat on its own. Spam's good. Save the Spam for later. Let's make our dough. We're gonna start with a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda! I got baking soda! And a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now whisk all that together. Let's get wet. Half a cup of butter. Half a cup of butter. Half a cup of sugar. Yeah. Half a cup of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a single egg. And I eat more Spam. Lock and load. And then we plug it up. Oh, control, I have it. Now mix it all up. Woo! Woo! Sift in your flour. No chunks here. Woo! Woo! Next up, I'm gonna blitz about a third of a cup of butterscotch chips. Butterscotch chips. Butterscotch chips go in the dough. Now fold the chips into the dough until they're all incorporated. Now let's make it rain. Yeah. Gently fold in your Spam. Ooh. Spamgelic. Let's make some cookies. Roll out your little Spam cookies. Little Spam cookies. Spamerica. Fuck yeah. Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! Balls. Well, perfect balls. It ain't Spamature hour here. Now put these in a 375-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. See you soon. See you soon. And after 10 minutes, you're left with these. Transfer these bad boys to a rack. Are you ready for your close-ups? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's so crazy it just might work. And it did. It's sweet, it's salty. Spam cookies, make some. Crazy. Bye friends. The internet is a weird place.